Okay, so today at Get Sidetracked, we're going to talk about some of the more beautiful natural parts of Macau and follow this trail, coastal trail, and you can see for yourself through this camera lens. And we're also kind of recording it in time in 2020. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so Macau is not only casinos, definitely not only casinos, there's a lot more than just that. And it's also very urban, it's a very small area and one of the densest places on earth, but there's actually still nature here. Just so you can kind of see, these are parts of Hong Kong. All those little windmills, I believe that's all Hong Kong islands. They extend all the way out to here. I could be wrong, that some of them could be part of China too. This right over here is definitely part of China. Those green masts, it's called Hengqin. But this trail right here is all Macau. So this is a trail, I'll highlight the name of the trail later. And we're just gonna follow this trail a little bit. And we had another video where I gave the name of the trail as a title, but this one I'm just gonna call it The Natural Beauty of Macau, and just kind of say, you know, what else is here. Basically all this right here is almost all like mountain. There's not really many, not much development at all, so it's basically trails. So all the people that live here have access to trails and the nature like this. And this is a coastal trail. A lot of the trails are up in the mountains a little bit, and yeah, this is kind of we could walk down that way, but I try to keep my videos around 8 minutes. I don't think people have the attention span for much more than that. That building way down there, that UFOs one, that's actually part of Hengqin, Zhuhai. But this is all Macau here. So yeah, you can see the beauty of these rocks here. And actually this is the coastal trail, but you can also go inland and hike within these mountains and rocks too. And if you are on a bus or drive around in a car or whatever you can do, you can also drive around in a lot of pine trees. It kind of feels like you're out in the middle of nowhere, far away from any city. And actually the first time that I saw this trail, nobody really told me about it. You know, you don't really see it in pictures. Malfunction with this little GoPro camera. I always have malfunctions with this little GoPro camera. Actually, this is my third GoPro camera. I have malfunctions with all of them. I don't know if it's because the batteries are poorly made or if the camera, I'm not really sure. But still, it's the best camera out there. One of the best. There's a couple of competitors. Anyways, let's just go back to the trail. But yeah, first time I came to Macau, I was really surprised. I didn't know about this until I was here for a few years already. And then I kind of came across it by accident. Because, you know, there's not really, you know, when people see pictures of Macau, they don't really see this. There's no thing like this. If there was, everybody you can imagine would come here, right? Every tourist would be here and they'd be filling up all the spaces just like they do around the casinos and up all the ruins. Because a lot of the tourist sites in Macau, they're basically just shoulder to shoulder. You can barely walk anywhere. And this coastal trail is probably better off just only locals know about it. Of course, now I have a YouTube channel where I'm highlighting it, and I hope nobody else comes across it and highlights it in any, you know, big international way. But if they do, it's inevitable anyways. So what can you do? Wouldn't be from my video for sure. I only get a couple hundred viewers, you know, at least at this time in 2020. But anyways, this is the natural beauty that's in Macau. And you have to remember, you know, Macau is basically a peninsula and islands that are kind of connected by bridges and some reclaimed land. So of course it has island features, which has, you know, coastlines. And you're gonna have a little bit of mountain stuff too. Like, so all over Macau, there's you know, little lookout and mountain kind of stuff that are, you know, even within the city. So suddenly you're in this very highly dense urban area, and then suddenly you're in somewhere beautiful like this. And I really love the juxtaposition of that reality. You know, the way that things kind of mix in together like that. Here's the name of the trail right here, just so you can get an idea. Hác-Sá is the beach, Long Cha Coastal Trail. This one's in Chinese, Portuguese, English, so I'm just reading the English one. And looks like some nice water that's coming in as well. So yeah, really nice place. Gonna take some of these steps. Sun is gonna start going down. And when I did my other film, I was kind of walking into the sun, so now it's just going down, and I won't really see exactly what it's like until I can see it in video form, just like you can. But for me, when I'm looking to the camera, it's kind of hard to see into the camera because of the way the sun comes into it. But overall, I think you get a good idea of exactly what it's like here. It's gonna keep on going down. Okay, so yep, this is when I first, sometimes when I'm here, it's like I feel like I'm in a John Wayne movie, but instead of out in the middle of the Rocky Mountains, you know, thousands of miles from water, instead we're like right on the coastline. So it's like a John Wayne movie set like that, but with this right next to it. So, you know, it's also kind of something that you might see. I might consider it like Big Sur, California, you know, where there's like kind of mountain trails along the ocean. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So Macau is kind of hidden with little surprises that that not even tourists really know about, but locals would know. But actually, I meet some people that have lived in Macau for a long time, and they might not know what's all here either, you know, so. It's pretty cool. Okay, so and then we're gonna come out near Hác-Sá beach. So that might be interesting to some of you who have not seen it. I have had some videos of it before, so you can always search my channel for Hác-Sá beach, H-A-C-S-A. But yeah, this is all the coastal trail. So in Chinese, it basically says coastal trail, and then it's in Portuguese there, in English, Hác-Sá long. So if you're looking for the beach later, that's Hác-Sá right there. So Hác-Sá beach, and this is Hác-Sá Long Chao coastal trail. Hác-Sá means black sand in Cantonese, Chinese language. See some windmills way out there. And we're gonna keep following this trail because I want to show you a little bit of Hác-Sá beach from this faraway view. Got somebody out there with a little boat, like a little rafting boat. So yeah, now you get to see some of the beauty of you can see kind of you can see it's islands way out there, but then this is all part of our island, the one that I'm on right now, which is called Koh Loan, which is definitely 100% part of Macau. And then way over there you can see the beach. I don't know what it looks like with a strong sun like this, but I'm not going to walk on it today. And then over here you have these little houses. So there's a whole string of houses that go all the way down, and then they can overlook with these palm trees and benches like this. So you have these benches, and then you have these houses, and they're quite beautiful. So yeah, they all, I don't know how much they must cost in value. Oh, there's a lot of dogs there. Whew. I guess I got a little too close to the house. Okay. So yeah, they basically look like that. Then we're gonna head back over to the Hác-Sá beach. So yeah, that's all Hác-Sá beach right there. All that right there. goes all the way down to there. And those are those kind of cool looking houses. So we're gonna head back down this way and kind of stay in the shade just a little bit. And there we go. So we're gonna end it right there.
Chiquinha